Hi everyone, I'm Mana. Today I'm gonna teach you about 5 Japanese slangs. I made a video about unique Japanese expressions earlier and it was so much fun. I figured you might be interested in learning more Japanese slang. So this time, I've selected 5 words that will help you blend in more like a local. I will walk you through how to use them. So let's dive in. The first slang is atsui. Atsui originally means hot, like when the weather is hot or the water is hot, something like that. But in slang, we use it when we see someone putting a lot of effort or hearing something exciting or feel impressed. For example, if your friend says, "I want to become a firefighter because I want to save many people from disasters," you might reply,
暑いじゃん。
Another example, if you see someone taking on a tough challenge and keep going without giving up, you could say,
おー、彼暑いね。
it's like being impressed and feeling that warm, excited sensation in your chest as you watch them. The second slang is Daisai. Daisai means lame. It's used when someone doesn't seem cool or when something doesn't look nice. We usually say when we notice an unimpressive appearance. But it's not just about looks. Sometimes we can use it to describe someone's behavior as rude or unkind. You can even apply it to someone's way of life that gives off a negative vibe.
ダッサ。
Picture this, you spot someone wearing seriously outdated clothes like they can't even figure out where they managed to dig those up in this day and age. And the first thing that crosses your mind is that this outfit is a total disaster, fashion disaster. It's like they missed the memo on this current fashion trends entirely. But it's better not to send it directly to the person unless they are your close friends or family. Saying it directly come across as rude and might unintentionally hurt someone's feelings. The third term is emoi. In Japanese slang, emoi is used to describe something that triggers a strong emotion, sense of a sentimental or nostalgic nature. It's similar to saying something is touching or heartfelt in English. People might use emoi to express that they were deeply moved or touched by a particular situation, story, or memories. It's a way to convey a profound emotional connection to something. For example, let's say you and your friend were discussing your high school days and sharing stories that brought back nostalgic feelings. And the following morning, you might say, "Yesterday we were talking about those emoi memories and I felt so nostalgic."
あの話エモかったわ。
Yeah, we are really so emoi. The stories were so old school. The fourth word is Kimoy. Kimoy is shortened version of kimochiwarui, which means creepy or disgusting. What's interesting is how, despite its negative meanings, Kimoy is widely used in casual conversations in everyday situations. It's curious how at times saying Kimoy can actually bring about laughter and piques our interest towards the thing or person that's labeled as Kimoy. You can use Kimoy with either a positive or negative twist in various scenarios. For example, when your friend tells you a really creepy story, and you might respond with Kimoy. Or if your boyfriend suddenly makes a funny face, a good-natured chuckle and
キモ。
could follow. It's important to remember to keep smiling and maintain love and kindness. Another example, if you stumble upon a door with an eerie appearance but somehow find it enduring in its own peculiar way, you might describe it as Kimokawaii. This word is quite adaptable and can be playfully used to convey a wide array of reaction. Kawaii means cute or pretty, so Kimokawaii is used when you come across something that's creepy, but for some reason, you still find it appealing. It's like saying that despite its unsettling nature, there's a certain charm to it that you can help but like. The fifth word is donbiki. Donbiki refers to that feeling when you can't fully accept or reject something. It's similar to saying cringe or turn off in English. In real life, you might not physically step back, but mentally, you feel like taking a step back because something or someone is creating a negative impression and it's disappointing to you. For example, imagine you are having dinner with your boyfriend and the way his eat appears messy. You might find yourself thinking, donbiki. Another example, you're discussing a poor cat expressing a desire to help it, but your friend's response with, I don't think so. This cat is destined to be that way. In this situation, you might have a donbiki moment. It's like your friend's response comes across as cold as ice, which is surprising because you expected them to have a warmer heart. Absolutely, you might want to give those 5 slangs I mentioned a try right away. They're quite casual, so they're perfect for enjoying lively conversations with friends and family rather than in serious situations. If you have any favorite Japanese slangs, feel free to share them. Thank you so much for watching my video until the end. I would be happy if you hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Bye!
Let the freak inside of me show you that love for more than the moment. Heaven is here for you and me. Don't